What the hell are you doing here?
That's my question. What the hell are you doing in here?
What do you think? I was hiding for months, and nobody knew I was still alive. Now, I have come for revenge.
But that's impossible. I thought I killed you.
That's exactly what the news thought, but it was a hoax. I staged my death the whole time while you didn't know about it.
Don't!
Hang up the phone! Now!
Is this really the best you could do? Did you seriously have to kick the Bird family out without an excuse?
Exactly. But there is a little secret. And it's not just about a hostile takeover. I swindled the house away from Terrence.
You did what? You took all the money from him?
There's nothing you can do about it, Dipper. If you tell the cops, you're dead.
¿Pero qué pasa? Mira, mira.